Welcome to solverfy, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
In this question, we will start by calculating RAB, which is equal 0.3 minus 0.2 I plus 0.8 minus 0.3 J plus 0 minus 0 K. So RAB equals 0.1 I plus 0.5 J. Same as for RPA, which is equal 0.2 minus 0.3 I plus 0.3 minus 0.8 J plus 0 minus 0 K, which is equal negative 0.1 in I direction minus 0.5 J. The force vector F and negative F can be written as F equal F in K direction and negative F equals negative F in also K direction. So the couple moment of F can be determined from MC, which is equal RAB multiply F. So we have I equals 0.1 and 0, J we have 0.5 and 0, K we have 0 and F. So in this case, MC equal 0.5 F in I direction minus 0.1 F in J direction. The magnitude of MC will be equal square root 0.5 F square plus negative 0.1 F square. So it will be equal 0.5099 F. Since MC is required to equal 50 Newton meters, so 50 equals 0.5099 F. So F in this case equal 98.1 Newton.